Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Marcie. 3.5 years later, you still look stunning. Beautiful, amazing.
I feel amazing.
So, I just showed you what you looked like February of 2020, and
Yes.
you definitely have a completely different hairline.
I do.
And you actually came back for a second round.
Yes.
Tell us your experience over the past 3 years. Tell us what we're doing today. Fill us in.
Fill us in, like we're gonna fill my hairline in.
Of course.
Okay, so the last 3 years, my hairline has transformed. You know, I went about 5 months being bald in the front, right? I didn't have any hair, and then, you know, the fuzz emerged, right? And then it just kept growing. At about the year point, it's like, okay, I can see it, but it wasn't like mature, so it just took more time, right? So I would say really at about 18 months, it's like, okay, this is what it's going to be, and it's great, it's perfect, it's fabulous. But where I'm at, considering the density of my hair, I'm like, I need more, because I would straighten out my hair, do certain styles, and then I would still have to use like Topics powder, and I'm like, well, this is cool for now, but when I'm ready, you know, I'm gonna go back. So today's the day.
Now, your friends and family, when you wear your hair out like that, nobody even knows.
No, everybody, like, nobody would ever think, oh, she's had a hair transplant, because the way my hairline looks, it looks natural, it's appropriate for me, my face, my race, it's just, you know, it's the right fit for me. And actually, it's better than the natural hairline I was born with, because I'm one of those women who, you know, as they would say, oh, she has a big forehead, but I just naturally high forehead. My hairline was just naturally pushed back, so not only did I get the traction alopecia fixed, I had a new hairline constructed. So now we're just gonna pack jam that in, so as it grows out again, it'll be perfect.
So pretty much, I'm keeping her natural hairline that we chose in 2020, and now we are gonna go ahead and just follow that hairline and work our way back.
Fill it in.
And fill it in, reinforce that entire area. So we always